Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable Chrome virus scan. With disabling Chrome virus scan, the reason we are going to disable it is that sometimes when you try downloading files from a genuine website, Chrome do stop you from downloading those files, telling you that it's a malicious file, which you will not be able to download it using Chrome. You can just go to a legitimate website where you trust and rely on. You try to download a file, and then Chrome browser will be telling you that that file is not legit, so Chrome browser will not be able to download it. So I'm going to show you how to disable this option, but it's going to be on temporary base. So once you disable it and download that file, because you trusted that website that it's a genuine website, so after downloading it, you can now go back and turn on that security feature to be fully protected from unwanted or malicious websites. So without further delay, let's get started. Now, as I've opened my Chrome, just as you can see, I'm on my Chrome browser. To disable this virus scan, on these three dots, click on it. Now go onto your settings. Under your settings, just go to privacy and security on your left side here. Now scroll down and go to security. Now we have this here, which is we have safe browsing. So just as you can see, it is on standard protection. So to disable this one, what you just need to do is that we just have to click on this no protection. Just as you can see, it does not protect you against website downloads and extensions. So what you just need is to click on it, and then as you can see, safe browsing protects you from attackers who may trick you into. Just turn it off because it's a feature that we are turning off, and then it's telling us that it's a great feature which we should have leave it to be on. But just because it's on a temporary base, you just turn it off. So turn it off. So now that our protection is off, now you can go back to that website that you trusted and you know that that website is reliable. Now download the file. So after downloading the file, you just have to come back here, just as I showed you. You click on this three dot, go to the settings. Under the settings, you now go to privacy and security, and then you come to security, and then you have the option here. So what you just need to do that, you just click on the enhanced protection in order for you to be protected in real time. Even at the time that you are using the browser, not later on protection. Once you enable it, you are now rest assured that you are being protected by the browser in case when it comes to malicious website or other malicious files from the internet. So that is just how easy and simple it is to turn off this virus scan. But note that just as I said, it's a temporary turn off that you are going to do. So just as I said, whatever website that you are trying to download the file, be sure that that website is well reliable and secured, that the file that you are downloading from there, it is a well trusted file from that website. That is just how easy and simple it is to stop this virus scan. And if this video was helpful, kindly leave us a like. And if you have any challenges, leave it in the comment section. We'll see you on our next one. Peace out.